There is an island in Thailand that looks like heaven. It's the most beautiful place in the world that all travelers dream about. There is an unbelievable lagoon where is a hidden paradise beach located, and nobody can get to it. Maybe it used to be like this, but now it looks like this. Me and my friends went to explore Phi Phi Islands. We sailed from Krabi to Phi Phi Don Island, the only inhabited island of Phi Phi, where we stayed for 5 days. The vibe on the island is so relaxing. There are no bikes, cars or other transport, and you can easily get everywhere on foot. Everything is provided here for your holiday. Except for close distance sailing to Maya Bay, there's a lot of things to do in Phi Phi Don Island. Eat in a lot of tasty cafes, have parties in nightclubs and bars, sail and kayak to different beautiful beaches, and just enjoy your vacation on a small tropical island. Interesting fact that Phi Phi Don Island is an island of cats. While 5 minutes going by island you can count 10 cats. They're everywhere, and they perfectly fit in the relaxing vibe of the island. Most tourists take a one-day tour to Maya Bay and Phi Phi Island, but I'm sure that the best way to visit the most beautiful and most popular region of Thailand is to stay in Phi Phi Don a minimum of 3 days, to feel this amazing small island vibe, and from there rent a boat to visit all places you want. To get to Maya Bay Beach, we rent a private longboat for our company of 9 friends for 3,000 baht. The Maya Bay became famous after the beach movie with Leonardo Dicaprio. When you come here, you expect to see this. But in the reality, it looks like this. To avoid crowds, come here as early as possible, and you can make it only if you stay on Phi Phi Don Island and rent a private boat and come before big groups of tourists. Maya Bay Beach recently reopened and had been closed for years to give nature time to recover itself, so now the water in the bay is blue and clear again, and beach looks like paradise. And before, the beach was look like this. Now, according to the new rules, it's not allowed to swim here. Only try water with your feet, and also boats can go into the bay. In this way, ecosystem of the bay is protected, and I think they are doing a right thing. It's a very beautiful beach and absolutely worth visiting. We were sailing island from another side and came to Pileh Lagoon. It's a very beautiful lagoon surrounded by rocks that seem like hanging in the air. And here we finally managed to swim. The next location is Monkey Beach. There are two monkey beaches on Phi Phi Don, one with a lot of monkeys which you can feed with bananas.
Tanya, how are you feeling here?
Water, very beautiful color. I think they're hungry. I think they want something from us. And better not to come to them without bananas.
Wait.
Нет, я передумала. А она нет. And second Monkey Beach is located on the other side of Phi Phi Don, and this is the best beach where I have ever been. The sand is so soft and so nice to touch, and also this beach is so deserted because you can get here only by longtail boat or by kayak. I highly recommend sailing to this beach. You will not regret about it. Actually, during this trip, we sailed by boat so much that even too much, I think. We had enough of sailing. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and push the like button, and see you in next video.